model, 2018 Nissan NV400 L1H1 3300 2.3dCi 130PS Shea Spares OR Repairs Starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 132,507. MOT, 3 December 2024. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-130E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine in back of van head stripped off. It will need repairing. All parts are with the van. Open mouth smile gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call